guys, this is Rachel Parker with Resonance Social Media, and this little lick monster is Sophie, my VP of Morale, who's joining us today as a special guest. Say hello, Soph. Hi. Today I wanted to share a really cool tool with you. As you know, I share a ton of content on Twitter. I'm always looking for articles, blog posts, videos, anything that anything that will interest the people who follow me. And the challenge I run into is that I tend to find this content in chunks. So I'll get my Google alerts one day and find 5 or 6 things that I want to share, and then I'll get my newsletter from eMarketer or from Marketing Profs and find some more stuff that I want to share. And if I share all that content, when I find it, then you run into chunks. So what I'll do is create a glut in the streams of people who are following me. They'll open their stream and see like 5 or 6 things from me, which isn't an optimal Twitter experience. But I've found a tool called Timely, and what it does is it lets me stream my tweets out over time so that I can just find things, create a tweet, put it in the queue, and it'll schedule it automatically. It's great. It's wonderful. It's changed the way I use Twitter, and I'm going to show you where to find it and how to use it right now. To get to the Timely website, just go to your search bar and type in Timely.is. Click Return. Then you'll go to the Timely website, and on the home page, all you do is type in your Twitter name. Click Go, and it takes a minute to think about it. And then it will analyze your last 199 tweets, and according to its algorithm, it'll tell you which ones didn't reach their full potential as far as clicks and retweets are concerned. And then it gives you some examples of hours that Timely might have used to optimize your tweets. So from here, you click Try it on yourself to start an account, and then you can start using Timely. Let me show you how I use Timely to schedule my tweets. So here I am on the Mashable website. This is one of my favorite sites. They always have great content. And I see an article that I think will be interesting. So this one's called How Facebook Supported the Egyptian Revolution. So I'll click on that, and I'll read through the article, say, yeah, I think this is great. I think this will be really interesting to the people who follow me. Then I go up here and I click on Create a Timely, which is one of the options on the website. You can put this little button on your toolbar. I click on that, and this little window will pop up. It'll show the name of the page, and you see it's actually used Mashable's proprietary URL shortener, which is kind of cool. So I can adjust the tweet text any way I like. I can change the title, I can change whatever I want, and then at the end I usually like to put where it came from. And I just happen to know Mashable's handle since I share their content all the time. And down here I have 2 options. I can just add to the queue, which means it goes to the end of my list of queued up tweets, or I can post it within 30 minutes. That's really useful for tweets that are more newsworthy, that you want to get out more quickly. But this is more of a informational piece, so I'm just going to click on Add to Queue. Okay, so it's in my queue, and now I can go to my scheduled tweets. And as you can see, I've got 16 tweets queued up today, tomorrow. There's the one that we just created, and that's going to go all the way to Thursday because I have so many tweets queued up. And then if I go back up here, I can click on Performance, and it will look at the most recent tweets that I've shared and show which ones have been clicked through, which ones have been retweeted, and also the reach. So if something just went out to my followers, it would go out to however many people are following me. And if I'm retweeting something from someone else, for example, I think this was a retweet, it reached as many people as the person I retweeted from and the people who retweeted my tweet. So this one actually reached 3,655 people. So it's a really good barometer to see how you're doing on Twitter and how your tweets are performing. Another thing you can do as you go through your queue, if you see something that you really want to move to the top, you have an option of move to top. So if I wanted to move this one up to the first place on the list, I can move it up, and then Timely will automatically reschedule everything else behind it so that everything stays nice and spaced out. Okay, so that is how you use Timely. If you're already using it, let me know what your experience is. Leave me a note in the comments or catch me on Twitter. That's it. Thanks for joining us today, and Sophie and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.